Hello guys, welcome back to Trust Basket Gardening channel. I'm Indupriya. Today I'm going to let you know about how can we make some useful bioenzymes using marigolds. Actually, not just the fresh marigolds, you can also go for using the marigolds that are used in your rangolis or in your puja decors. Actually, not just with the marigolds, we can prepare bioenzymes with many types of organic waste such as fruits, vegetables, their peels and their rinds too. So if we can make this wonderful bioenzymes with any type of organic waste, then why delay? Let's see how can we make one. In this video, I'm going to explain things like what are bioenzymes, how can we prepare and how can we use them for different purposes kind of things. So please keep watching. So to make this organic bioenzymes, all we need is marigold flowers, jaggery, water, dry yeast and any plastic bottle. You can skip yeast if you don't have it, but the only thing is it takes more time to get the final product without yeast. So just by using these things, we are going to prepare bioenzymes. So let's see how can we make them. So here I'm taking 1 part of jaggery, that is 50 grams. 3 parts of marigolds, that is 150 grams and 500 ml of water. So this proportion should always be 1:3:10. I mean, for suppose if you take 100 grams of jaggery, you must take 300 grams of flowers or any other organic waste and 1000 ml of water, which is 1 liter. So 1:3:10 is the fixed ratio to prepare any kind of bioenzymes. And now, before getting into the preparation, I just want to tell you what are bioenzymes. Generally, the final product of fermented organic wastes are called bioenzymes, which probably lies in a liquid form. This liquid acts as natural cleanser that contains a lot of enzymes along with numerous bacteria and microbial nutrients that helps in breaking down or digesting any chemical or organic waste. So coming back to its preparation, in this way, you should remove the petals from the marigold flowers and keep them ready. And now we should put all these ingredients into the water bottle. Now that we have added all these ingredients, at last we should add a pinch of yeast. By this, fermentation process will be fastened and we can get our enzymes ready in just 1 month. As I said earlier, without yeast, it takes almost 3 months. And one more important thing is we must always leave 3/4 of any container empty because this process of fermentation releases a lot of gases. So loosen the cap every day for 1 week to allow the gases to escape, and thereafter you can do this every 2 to 3 days. So now this is all ready to keep it aside, and after 1 month this will look more or less like this, which I have prepared 1 month ago, and now it is all ready to use. So now this fertilizer can be either soil drenched or can also be sprayed onto leaves, whichever is convenient for you. And there is absolutely no boundaries that you can use these bioenzymes right from the herbs to trees. I mean, you can use them for any kind of plant. So let's see how can we use it. When we add these bioenzymes to the soil, they increases the NPK content and microbial activity in the soil. The enzymes also helps in breaking down the ammonia, by which more nitrogen can be available to the plants. And using this liquid, we can also purify grey water and make them useful for your plants. When it comes to the foliar spray, we should reduce its concentration so that we won't burn the leaves. So in this way, this spray acts as both fertilizer and pesticide. As I said earlier, bioenzymes are natural cleansers, so that you can also use them to clean your kitchen, floors, sinks and bathrooms. And by putting some soap net to them, you can also use them to wash your clothes and dishes. Unlike synthetic soaps and detergents that contaminate our rivers and lakes, these bioorganisms are completely safe, organic, and these definitely do not harm any of our water bodies. So this is all about the uses of bioenzymes, and I hope you have understood the process of preparation. So definitely give it a try and let us know your feedback in the comment section. As I said earlier, you can also prepare bioenzymes with many different things like lemons, orange peels, banana peels, papaya peels and grapes, etc. So enjoy making it with different things. I think now you have got an idea about what are bioenzymes and how can we use them for our plants and also in our day-to-day life. So if you feel this video interesting, hit the like button and do share the video to spread the awareness about bioenzymes. So this is all about it, guys. Stay tuned to Trust Basket. Bye bye.